Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you all this top knot turban hairstyle, and I will begin by spraying water just to make it easier for me to put it up into a knot. Once I finish spraying my hair with water, I brush my hair up into the position that I want it to be in, and I straighten out my hair just so it can be more easier for it to go into a knot. I like to go ahead and lay my edges down, and this just makes it easier for me to touch them up once my hair is wrapped. So now I'm going to take my scarf and I'm going to wrap it around my head, and you twist it until it becomes tight and you start wrapping it around your knot. And there we have it. This was a quick and easy hairstyle. I love it when I don't want to do anything to my hair, or if I just want a quick hairstyle, this is my go-to. So make sure you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys later.